What's up, you guys? This is Chris with EMBROIDERY, Patches for the Culture, and we got a new package right here. Be sure you use safety first when cutting boxes open. Always cut away from you. Let's go ahead and open up this box. Bum, ba-da-dum, bum, 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 bum. You guys, we got a box inside of a box. Done. Alright, you guys, if you can see right here, we picked up a ZUCA Stealth roller skate bag. Let's go ahead and open up this tab like so, and let's lift this open. There's a whole lot of pink going on. First things first, we got the ZUCA bag right here. Let's get this cracked open. Bam, right there. We got the ZUCA logo embroidered right there on the bag. Got a little side pouch. And we got some little ZUCA branding, as you can see right there. Ooh, that's nice. The little button tab is magnetic. Yeah. We got more boxes in here. We got more packaging. We gotta get out of there. Ooh, boy. Guys, don't mind me. I'm just adjusting this camera. So we ordered the neon pink frame. It said it was a limited edition, so we definitely wanted to pick it up. The reason we got the pink frame and the black bag, because we wanted to customize it with our EMBROIDERY branding when we're out there skating. Instead of using a twisty tie, they used a zip tie for some reason. Okay, let's get this plastic up off of here. The plastic has ZUCA branding all over it. Alright, so here it is right here. Not only can this be used for my roller skates, I can use it as carry-on luggage when I'm traveling. Check out these wheels, you guys. It does light up. Check that out. And over on the other side, this wheel lights up as well. Let's go ahead and put the bag in there. So the Velcro on the top of the bag does have adhesive underneath the white strips. So I will have to take these strips and apply the adhesive onto the frame. We're going to take that adhesive, we're going to put one here, like that. And then we'll put one up here, like that. I almost instantly messed it up, but I think I got it in there, you guys. Just kind of eyeballing it. On the bag, there are all these tabs that should wrap around the frame of the ZUCA. And there's also a tab on the back side of the bags. I'm going to start off with the top. Let's see if we can get the top in there. Actually, let's just get the bag in. And then let's get the Velcro tabs up there. So the Velcro is holding up in these top areas where I initially put the Velcro. Just rubbing it in, making sure it's really secured in there. Alright, you guys, I didn't realize it, but it looks like you fully undo the zipper and the whole zipper part will wrap around the framing of the ZUCA. So let's go ahead and get this zipper properly installed. And once y'all start getting it going, I'm going to take this Velcro right here and just go ahead and close that, make it secure. And then I'm going to finish going ahead and zip it all the way down like that. And of course, there's a tab at the bottom. So let me go ahead and fully finish zipping it down. And then we'll use the Velcro tab to keep it secure, like so. Let's go ahead and do the same thing for the other side. Let me fully unzip it. Have it come through, make sure the bars go inside of it. And then start zipping it down and use the Velcro tabs to keep it secure. Alright, and there we have it. Here's the inside of the bag. Looks like there's a place to hang some keys. There's a little key ring tab right there. There's a little net. There's a little net right here up top. You can store some items. There's a whole little zipper pocket right here on the side that opens up. Might can hold some stuff there. There's some Velcro pockets. What is there, 2 of them? 2 Velcro pockets. One bigger one and one smaller one. On the side of the bag, there are these long zippers here. There's some storage space right in here. And there's a little bit of storage space right here. Maybe you could put your like cards or wallet in there possibly. Let's flip to the other side. We got another little pocket here, and then we got another large pocket right here. Now I plan on using this mainly for my roller skates, but I might use it when I do some little bit of traveling. And check it out, you guys. Since this main pocket right here opens up like so, this gives me plenty of access to where I can potentially embroider directly onto the front of this bag. I'm going to put my logo embroidered right there. Also with the ZUCA bag, if you look closely, you'll see that the zippers do have the holes in them to where you can use a little tiny lock to keep your bag locked. Not saying it's going to be a ton of security, but there is that little feature if you want to lock up this main compartment on your ZUCA bag. Also with this bag, I do plan on using the Cricut machine and use some black vinyl as well as some neon green vinyl, because that's our color schemes here at EMBROIDERY. Patches for the culture. And we're going to customize this ZUCA bag to our liking. We're going to use a combination of embroidery and heat press. Now, there's one final test to do. We got to make sure our skates fit, right? Alright, you guys. So I got one skate right here. Check it out, check it out. Got the blank man and other guy patch there, as well as our main logo right here. This logo does glow in the dark, so that's why it's not that deep neon green. But let's go ahead and see if this skate fits in there. Here's my second skate here. As you can see, my skates have seen better days. I purchased these skates on Amazon, as well as this ZUCA bag. And for any of you who want to see the patch that's on here, check it out. It spells out the word patch, as you can see it with the characters on it. Alright, you guys, so it is a snug fit inside of that ZUCA bag, but they both fit. Alright, so for this Madeira bag, it looks like the best thread to use is going to be this Madeira thread right here. This is the 1309 Madeira thread. This is the color we're going to use when we go to embroider onto this bag to personalize it. The cool thing about this bag is even though we already installed the baggage itself, we can always remove it, customize it, and put it right back on. There's this little cutout window on the side. I'm thinking I might try to put a logo right here, because I don't want to embroider everything. I won't be able to get the embroidery machine in all the nooks and crannies, but I can get some heat pressing on there. It does have handles that extend, as you can see right here, just like a regular luggage bag. Got the wheels that are nice. The double wheels is nice for when you're going up and down stairs. This has been Chris with EMBROIDERY. Patches for the culture. We're going to get on out of here. We're going to start customizing our ZUCA bag so that way it matches our brand. See ya on the next one.